what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently Cardano, price action coming off of a projection from significant resistance overhead, $2.18. It's giving price action a hard time for the last several weeks here. Price action making its way to and through this 0.618 FIBA Illuminati level, $1.93, failing to support price action as we make our way downward here, passing through this 200 daily moving average, looking for support all the way down to $1.57. In my opinion, that is going to be the strongest area of technical support, waiting for price action in this sort of short-term downside here. I do believe I'm still bullish on the overall uptrend of Cardano in its lifetime, and I anticipate Cardano reaching the $3 range where it came from here. However, this retracement and pullback may be what is needed and necessary for the uptrend to continue. So we're waiting for further confirmations of support. We're waiting for buy signals to return price action under the influence of sell signals ever since sort of like September here. Two of our chosen three robo advisors have been bearish on price action since the 19th of September, and since then we have experienced up to 25% in downside as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation, supported by two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on price action. So at the moment, I do believe Cardano is still solidifying support in this sort of move downward here, and once support has been found, the uptrend can continue. So we're looking for interactions with $1.57. In my opinion, that is going to be a bullish area of accumulation. We are waiting for interaction with. We always wait for these technical key confirmations. We're waiting for buy signals to return. This previous combination of robo advisors back throughout the beginning of August suggested a bullish area of accumulation that allowed us to see up to 126% in gains, easily well over doubling your money with engineering robos buy signals. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 67% ROI when engineering robo became bearish on price action and suggested some short-term downside or sideways for price action. And so prices are still under the influence of sell signals as we await support and buy pressure to return and some buy signals to come back into play. Price action back throughout the end of July here did experience an interaction similar to current levels where we dipped below the 200 daily moving average, and we were met with tremendous buy pressure, allowing the uptrend to continue shortly after. So we're waiting for further confirmations of support. In my opinion, let me know down below where you think Cardano will go. What are you doing with 88 at current levels? Now, Tron against USDT, price action making its way sideways here, currently looking for support off of potential key level here, 10 cents. This 0.102 level is going to be a key area of support. We're looking for daily candles opening and closing above. We're looking out for resistance overhead, 12 cents, 0.127 is going to be a key level of potential resistance, waiting to give price action a hard time as we make our way up to my immediate short-term target for this coin and significant overhead resistance up in 14 cents per Tron. I do believe key level 0.143 is going to be the area of significant resistance. We are waiting for a break of and confirmation of support with daily candles opening and closing above it. And so right now we're currently in a phase of very aggressive sideways here, looking for continued support off a suggested key level down below. The most significant area of support waiting for us, however, is going to be down in the 8-cent range. 0.087 is going to be the key level of support, the most significant area of technical support, in my opinion, waiting for us in any sort of short-term move downward here. That key level currently correlating with the 200 daily moving average at the moment. An interaction with it would further solidify the health of the uptrend overall in the longer term. We've been having this very bullish interaction with the 200 daily moving average ever since the beginning of September, in my opinion. So I do believe a very strong uptrend is forming. We just need to free ourselves from this phase of sideways here. So very aggressive back and forth between robo advisors here. We're waiting for two of our chosen three robo advisors to become comfortably bullish. To become bullish on price action, to be comfortably accumulating at current levels. Right now we are under the influence of sell signals. This combination of robo advisors did allow us to see after a bullish area of accumulation was suggested, we were able to see up to 91% in gains over the following 40 days. And if you weren't able to sell above at or around that swing high, two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish on price action, allowing you to capitalize on on 44% in gains when it suggested, bearish downside or sideways around 9 cents per Tron. And so easy capitalization on gains, almost doubling your money in upside after Engineering Robo's buy signals. And Engineering Robo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so you pick 3 of the many different robo advisors available, the ones that best suit your trading strategy, and once 2 of your chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish or bearish, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. And so at the moment we are interacting with some technical factors of support, in my opinion, and I do believe buy pressure is present and an uptrend is forming. I would like robo advisors to suggest some buy signals to become more comfortably bullish on the uptrend. However, I do believe we are just trapped in this phase of accumulation that is likely headed upward here once this final area of support is established. Look out for a potential interaction with 8 cents if we make our way downward here. Watch out for 12 cents as we make our way up to 14 cents. Let me know down below where you think Tron will go. Now, GRT against USDT. What do we have here? Price action, making its way upward, looking to interact with potential key area of support here. It would appear 9 cents is looking to be like a key level of support. 91 cents is going to be the key area of support we are looking for a bullish interaction with. Prices currently above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend is forming. We're looking for continued support and interaction kind of off of it here. We do have this bear signal printing with the November 19th daily candle close. However, we need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors to become bearish on price action to potentially suggest a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself here. So right now we are still bullish on continued upside until a second sell signal is present. We have been under the influence of a bullish area of accumulation ever since this, buy 1 in the beginning of October here. Then we have the bull signal throughout the sort of second week of October here. Price action, it experienced up to 66% in gains over the following 23 days after 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish on price action, currently sitting on 18% in gains at current levels with still anticipation of continued upside here. So I do believe price action is making its way to my immediate short-term target here. $1.69 is going to be my immediate short-term target of resistance. We are waiting for a break of and confirmation of as support. Price action making its way upward here ever since a bullish confirmation of support and interaction with technical buy pressure here near 67 cents. In my opinion, that is going to be the strongest area of support if we were to experience any sort of downside here. However, as I mentioned, 91 cents is going to be potential technical support for us down below, in addition to wherever this 200 daily moving average is. So I do believe buy pressure is present and an uptrend is forming, and we will see some upside once support is found. Watch out for a second robo advisor becoming bearish on price action to suggest a more bullish area of accumulation. Look out for interactions with support as we make our way upward here. Let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels. Now, taking a quick look at Shiba Inu price action making its way sideways here. We are under the influence of sell signals, as we mentioned in a previous analysis video. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors have become bearish on the 3rd of November here, and we have experienced up to 27% in downside over the following couple weeks ever since those robo advisors did become bearish on price action. So price is still looking for continued support as we interact with these kind of key levels here that we were recently interacting with just beforehand. Prices did come from a very bullish area of accumulation ever since the sort of second weeks of September here, where we experienced up to 900% in gains over the following 41 days after those buy signals were present. An easy 10x return on your investment with EngineeringRobo's buy signals on Shiba Inu, and you were still able to capitalize on 547% ROI with these sell signals that have just recently printed as we await another bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside. So 10x in gains in a very short amount of time will very easily be met with sort of sideways retracements and pullbacks, consolidation and accumulation to allow the uptrend to continue. As we can see, there's very much buy pressure present. We have a significant key level here. It would appear this 4991 is going to be a key level we are waiting for confirmation of as support. Again, currently it is resistance. We're making our way downward here. It would appear, watch out for an interaction with 3461 potentially also 3050 as we make our way down to this lower level here, 2359. This is going to be the key range of areas of support that we may have interaction with through this phase of sideways that could take however many weeks necessary before Shiba Inu is able to see another 10x returns. Let me know what you think Shiba Inu will go though down in the comments below. Now, Ethereum price action interacting with these key levels here, returning to accumulation, prices reaching toward the most bullish area of support, $3,923 per Ethereum. However, prices were bought up all the way down at $3,956 per Ethereum. So price action not quite reaching support. However, the buy pressure is very much present as we have returned to these sort of previous levels we just came from here, currently between the key range above $4,204 as potential support, interacting with $4,385 as resistance, in my opinion. So prices still sideways here under the influence of sell signals. We do have two of our chosen three robo advisors bearish on price action, and so we are waiting for buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on the uptrend continuing from current levels. I'm still very bullish on Ethereum. In my opinion, I very much suspect the uptrend will continue. We just need to further solidify support here and re-establish our momentum. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Do you believe any sort of downside or sideways that we experience and have been experiencing is very bullish for the overall longer term uptrend? Now, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently interacting with resistance at previous support. $58,800 per Bitcoin is now resistance at the moment as we further establish support through this real phase of accumulation and sideways here. I do believe this is going to be the final sort of phase of consolidation and solidification of support that we need before we are able to see some very euphoric gains for Bitcoin. I personally still anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin by early next year. Personally, right now, I do believe this is a very bullish interaction with support for Bitcoin's overall longer term uptrend. We are just waiting for these technical key confirmations. Right now, support is present near $55,642 per Bitcoin. Watch out for $52,707 per Bitcoin as we make our way toward $48,373 per Bitcoin, the strongest area of technical support in my opinion. And if you thought I was bullish up here, I'm near all-time highs in the 60K range. I'm even more bullish down below, back in accumulation near lows where you can accumulate Bitcoin at what soon will be determined as a reasonable price, because in my opinion, I do believe the upside will very much continue once support has been established. So look out for some of the best times to be buying Bitcoin. Anticipate price action similar to September here. From all-time highs, we have experienced what appears to be up to 19% in downside or in just over a week. And so while that might seem surprising, remember this is cryptocurrency, this is Bitcoin. And so if we were to refer to prices back in the September here, we came from 52,000 and reached all the way down to 39,000 in 2 weeks, a good 24% in downside, only to break all-time highs again. And I'm pretty sure previously when we got rejected off of 60K, we made our way downward to the 30K range, a good 50% in downside before setting new all-time highs sort of later. So Bitcoin is definitely able to have these price fluctuations and not be affected over in its overall sort of standpoint. In my opinion, I am still very bullish on price action. Let me know where you think prices will go down below in the comment section. Let me know what coin you'd like to see in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.